This is a demonstration of how to construct a line perpendicular to a given point, not on the line. Sorry, perpendicular to a given line through a point, not on the line. Okay, so as with any construction, you need a compass that is tight so that it doesn't adjust while you're drawing your arcs, and you need a straight edge. That can be a ruler or any other straight edge. It doesn't have to have markings on it. Okay, here is our line. I labeled it T, and we've got line M. We want to draw a perpendicular line through this point that is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so we know it's going to go somewhere over here, but how do you get it to be perfectly perpendicular without actually measuring it? Here's what you do. The first thing you're going to do is adjust your compass so that it is longer than the distance from M to line T, because you're going to want to draw an arc that is centered at M. You're going to want to draw an arc that goes around and intersects T at two places. Alright, so there's an arc that intersects T at two places. Okay, after you do that, then you want to adjust your compass so that it is more than halfway the distance from this intersection point to this intersection point. So I don't want my compass to be really small like this. You don't want it to be exactly half. It needs to be more than half. If you want to make it really wide, that's fine, but actually that won't fit on the paper. So we're going to make it just a little, we're going to make it more than halfway. Put your point on one of the intersections, the compass point on one of the intersections, and draw an arc over here, basically straight down from M. Then move your compass so that its compass point is on the other intersection point, and draw another arc. Now you want to make sure that that compass does not change length as it draws this arc versus this arc. That's what's important. Your compass needs to stay the same width here as it is here. Okay, if you've done that correctly, then this intersection point right here, which I'll call Q, if you do a line from M to Q, that should give you a perpendicular line to T. And if you take a piece of paper to test that, you can see that it is in fact perpendicular. That was a pretty easy construction. Hope that helped.